Now, the biggest thing that students learn great from apps and they have great time on apps and interacting with each other. However, students learn best from their teacher, which is you. Now, I would say, which brings us to teacher instructional videos. Now, you may be saying, whoa, hold on, Jordan. Teacher instructional videos? I'm doing enough already. I'm doing lesson plans. I'm walking around. We're doing projects. Jordan, don't add on this other stuff for me. Not videos. Hold on. Now, teacher instructional videos is going to be one of the better ways to accommodate learning in your classroom and also good for remediation in your classroom. Yes, you can find a YouTube video close enough to what you're doing and give that to students, but the students really learn best from their teacher, which is you. Now, to do a teacher instructional video, it does not have to be you just on the screen. It could be you just showing your PowerPoints, doing the voiceover. It can be you just showing or explaining something in the talking head, be like I'm doing right now. But there are 5 steps that you need to take to be able to do a teacher instructional video your way. First one is chunk the information, meaning get to the meat and the bones that students need to know for this lesson. Go straight into it, let students know what you need to do and what they need to know, giving them formulas, maybe materials, things like that, going straight to it. Number 2 is to have video-ready slides. Now, a lot of you all, which is great, a lot of teachers already have slides of their work. So this is not extra work for most of you all. And this way, video ready just means basically just have some clean and clear slides, meaning students can read them properly and that they are concise about information they need to know. Don't put too much on one slide and make the slides as long as many slides as you need to be to convey the needed information. Now, step 3 is record. And you may say, oh, I can't do it, Jordan, can't do it. Recording, how can I record? Look, friends, and look, teachers. This does not have to be that difficult. Number 1, you have choose the recording device. Get a smartphone. Most smartphones and phones in general nowadays have wonderful camera quality and pretty decent audio. And that's the number 1 thing in any video is audio. And you can do it from your smartphone, or you can do it from your laptop. You can do it from possibly a camera like I have right now. And anyways, that way you can do it either or. It doesn't have to be hard to record. Don't make it hard. Next way is, option is screen recording, which there are free options and there are paid options. Now, with those options, let's go around about the free options because as a teacher, you gotta be a little frugal. Now, the free options, especially the greatest one is Canva. Canva is the king or queen of really good digital content and affordable digital content for teachers and any others who are not precisely graphic designers. And when Canva, you can go into Canva and create your slides, make them all nice and pretty or however you want them. And you can screen record within Canva and edit within Canva, all done on the free plan. So there's a button in Canva. So when you go to download your slides and things like that, there's a button that says present and record. And within Canva, you can choose how much you want to show on the screen to record. And you record the video and boom, bam, you're done. You have made your video. You can edit it as much or as less as you want. And boom, you're done. And that can be presented to your students and your families, either on your own YouTube channel, in Schoology, in Blackboard, in Google Classroom, Apple Classroom, whatever classroom you want to show it to. You can upload it to there and have it for your students to watch. And that way it's already done. That's one way. Also, you can, if you have a Windows computer, you can screen record with the Windows button and press G. That's a game bar. You can also do it on your MacBook as well with Shift Command 5. That will open up QuickTime, which is already enabled in all Macs, already free, and you can record your screen that way. If you have a Chromebook, you can screen record. Now, adjusting your settings, you'll have to enable audio just because it's not enabled in the original settings. So be sure to enable audio. But other than that, you can screen record with a Chromebook as well with Shift, Control, and then show Windows. And that way you can do it in your Chromebook. So those are all the free ways you can do a screen recording. Also, there's some paid ways in case you just want to be fancy. Some people are like that, which is you can use Camtasia, which is a high-end, very well built-out system of screen recording that's really valued at like $299. Then you have Loom. Loom is used by a lot of companies and really small businesses, and that could be used as well. They have great plans starting at $8 to $10 a month, depending on what you need for it, or just do short videos for free on the free plan. Then you have ScreenFlow, which is available just on Mac. Loom and Camtasia are available on Windows and Mac, but ScreenFlow is only available on Mac. So, and that also is quite a nice little hefty fee. So if you don't want to really deal with all of that, I would say go with Canva. You're a great free option about screen recording. Now the next thing you need, besides you've already picked your device, you're going to screen record on different programs, maybe Canva I would say first, and you need a microphone. And I'm like, oh gosh, Jordan, I need a microphone. How do I know what good microphone to use? Well, if you're going to use your phone, there on Amazon, there's a $20 lavalier mic like I have over here. Well, not $20, mark, but it's a lavalier mic like I have over here. It's $20. If you have an iPhone, get a little adapter and plug it in, and you can have really great audio off your phone that way. There are also a couple mics that are available that are not even over $100 that you can use for your video, or you can just use your camera video on your actual camera or your microphone that's built into your laptop. You can use that as well and move on. But you still need to have decent audio so your students can enjoy and learn from the instruction that you're providing. Number 4, you need to enhance engagement. So you're like, well, Jordan, how can I possibly do that? Now, that can be done in a couple different ways. Number 1 way is Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a great Chrome extension that you can have built into your video where you have frequent checks of understanding, little quizzes, different things to engage your students as they watch the video. And also that can be done in conjunction with Video Ant, the app I told you about earlier. Video Ant is the way you can elaborate and kind of annotate your videos as they go. So that's a really good way to help enhance engagement to ensure students are understanding the information that they are getting from your videos. And also, this is a way good to diversify so you can have paper copies for your videos and kind of follow along, and they're following you along with the content that you want to have made known for them for the particular video or content you're doing. So that way it's diversifying your teaching with online benefits for your online students and your offline students, especially when students are sick. Well, I know the flu season is going on over here, so when students are out for whatever reason, either flu or injury or out of town for vacation, they can still engage with the content that you have made for them and how you want to be taught and the information that you want to be sure that students understand and provide to them. So that way it's really good to have enhance that engagement that way as well. And it's tip number 5. Tip number 5 is can sometimes get people, you got to be yourself. So if you are like out there hyper crazy, you love it, you just love different things and like sparkles and glitters and glam, be you, be authentically you when you're on these videos to really convey that to your students. So they know this is the same Miss Potts as I see in online as I see offline. If you maybe be kind of maybe low energy and you're just kind of saying, I just spit the facts and I'm gone, be like that. If you're like that in real life, be like that on your online presence as well. The biggest thing that can happen as teachers as we're trying to do online is to be kind of out of ourselves and create a character that we're not. And that gives a disservice to you. Be who you uniquely are, have fun with it, be as glitz and glam as you want to be, or just be straight to the point as you want to be. The thing is to provide the proper content information to the student in the best way that you know how. And the best way you know how is being you. And those are the 5 main ways to go ahead and make a great teacher instructional videos. Now, we have done so much talking about leveling up as a teacher. We know about apps. We know about how to make a video. Now, the biggest thing, how do you level up your school? Now, you don't really level it up here, but we got to go. So let's go level up our school.